On a bigger scale, when you look at the daily time frame, we're just consolidating. Alright? Pwede na naman tayo mauntog ha. Mag-ingat lang yung 69 level, 70k level. Probably may mga magpa-profit taking na naman dyan. Sa price action, ganito po. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Look at this pump. No? Look at this pump. Pump, and then we consolidate. This can be a flag, itong ginagawa niya na yan. Alright? So, usually sa price action, unang touch, syempre rejection. Pangalawang touch, 50-50 chance of basagin. Pangatlong touch, kung patatluan to, there's a 60-40 chance na basagin. So, every time tinatamaan niya to, tumataas yung probability mo ng break. So, 60-40. Kapag ka, let's say, 60-40, hindi talaga kinaya. Pag tama dyan, okay, nag-retrace tayo ng konti, tapos bumanat na naman tayo, yung next na untog niya, 70-30 probability na babasagin niya. Alright? So, that's how you read price action, especially yung mga ganitong consolidation. So, similarly, dito rin po, dito rin po, sa baba. So, yung pangatlo, mas tumataas na probability na basagin. Pang-apat, mas mataas yung probability na babasagin niya. Follow for more T2 Moves!